Welcome to New Vision Services News Bulletin, a recent success story coming up from Liverpool. We start this report on a recent burglary at the factory down the street from your office. Burglars stole equipment valued at tens of thousands of pounds. This could just as easily been your home. Our top story: an office block in Liverpool saw immediate results after New Vision Services installed the TIOC 3-in-1 CCTV system, effectively put an end to out-of-hour underground car park incidents. With two-way audio, verbal warning, parameter reports, all with instant notifications, gives you the edge in the fight against crime. All accessed via any smart device, this helps deterring would-be trespassers. This TIOC 3-in-1 system is not exclusive to businesses. It works exactly the same in your home. With that welcoming news from Liverpool, it's good night from the newsroom. Ring for a free security assessment to get the protection you deserve. Email hello@newvisionservicesltd.com or call 01942 644 002.